Now it is the age of science and technology. Without science and technology, we cannot live. Our society, our present generations cannot be imagined without science and technology. Without science and technology, we are totally, our present generation is totally fulfilled. In every sphere of life, science is necessary. When we go to the bathroom, we take the toothpaste, and it is also the made of science and technology. We use just a little pin, that's also made of science and technology. In a broader sense, when we go to the field of medical, we are using medicines and we are curing. Diseases are diagnosed with the help of electronic tools, and diseases ultimately curing. Those are the great blessing of the science. We are going to the space. This is the greatest invention of the science. We cannot imagine to go to the space without science. We are sending Chandrayaan to the moon. It is the greatest blessing of the science. We are sending various type of satellites in the space, by which we are creating many things, by which we are communications are done. So it is the great blessing of science. We are reading newspapers, it is also great place of science. With the help of the newspaper, we are reading every spheres of the every field of the world, sitting at the bedrooms. We're using laptops, computers, mobiles. Those are run by electricity. This electricity is the great place of science. Electricity is called generally the darling daughter of the science. Without electricity, our present generations is totally crippled. Without electricity, our present generations is totally dark. If there is no electricity, we'll have to go to the back to our lives. In the old ages, there is no electricity, so we lived in the darkness. Now it has come brought a great light in our lives. So we are also mining various minerals from the soils, from the underground of the soils. It is also a great blessing of the science. We are going here and there by aeroplanes, trains, motorcycles, and Maruti cars, so many vehicles. These are the great blessing of science. This has prepared with the help of science and technology. This has brought a great change in our life in the field of communications. In the field of research, without science, it's not possible a single steps. In laboratory, in every sphere, science and technology is prevailing. So, without science, modern generations is totally crippled. We cannot say express or by writing the blessing of the science. We are totally greatly fond of science and technology. We cannot end by saying in these little words about the greatness of the science. Thank you. No more today. Best of luck.